Hello everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Jasmycoin. What's going on in the Jasmy token? What's the price? What's the price changes occur? And absolutely, we are going to do a shortly price prediction for Jasmy token. That is, in the future, Jasmy will pump or dump. So let's start the video. But guys, before starting this video, if you're new on my channel or if you don't subscribe our channel, so make sure to subscribe now. Guys, first of all, it is a low price coin, so a lot of people ask me question that what is the best coin for investment in a low price coin. So Jasmy coin is also a low price token in the market. As you can see here, the currently price is about 0.1698 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of Jasmy coin. And other side you can see here 2.13% positive changes occur in the Jasmy token, guys. So these changes is going positive, and other side the price of Jasmy token is very low, so that's why I recommend for investment, guys. And other side you can see here trading volume. That's mean a lot of people are also starting investing in the Jasmy coin, guys. Trading volume, fully diluted market cap, these everything is going positive in the market, so it's going crazy, guys. The future of Jasmy token is very bright. Just invest now. It is a profit opportunity, guys, with all of you. Now you can see here for short time here the price dump, but that's not mean a lot of people, a lot of holders decide to sell due to this dump. But guys, that's wrong. Now you can see here in the latest situation they again start pumping, guys. So hold, and absolutely the huge pump in the Jasmy coin is coming soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel.